All right, boys and girls, we have actually an evaluation today in math, but I sent it home because I trust you to do your very best and to do it on your own. Mom and Dad can help you with directions, but you need to be able to do everything else on your own. So and Mom and Dad, this is lesson 145. It's page number 117. I can't show you mine because mine has all the answers on it, but on the front is your evaluation. Okay, kids? On the back is fun with numbers. It has answers. I have to be careful. But it's my favorite thing in math. One of my favorite things in math. Everything is my favorite thing in math, but one of my very favorite things, is story problems. So on the back side, we are doing story problems. So you can pause me and go do your evaluation and then come back and I'll help you with the back side. Or you can flip to the back right now and we can just do these first and then you can work on your evaluation however you want to do it. But just so you know, I am here to talk to you about Linus the Minus and then to do all of your story problems with you on the back of lesson 145, Mom and Dad, which is pages 117 and 118. Okay, the reason we're doing Linus the Minus is because this is our first time doing subtraction story problems. What does subtract mean? It means taking away. Okay, and we have to use a minus sign for that. So that's where Linus the Minus comes in. All right, so I know we're still learning this poem, but try to help me out with it if you remember any of it. Here we go. Linus the Minus is a naughty young lad, always taking away. He is oh so bad. When he comes around, you will end up with less. He makes a big difference, but he'll never confess. Okay. Now, on to the story problem. So what I did was I wrote the same boxes that you have on the back of your paper. So make sure you get there. Excuse me. And then I used the same colors as well so that we're on green together. So the first story problem is about a bunny who's getting carrots. The next story is about a bunny and carrots. And the last one is also about a bunny and carrots. All of these are about a bunny with carrots. Okay, story problem 1. The green story problem says, Mom gave Harry 4 carrots. Harry gave one to the mailman. How many carrots does he have left? Write the combination. Okay, so first let's answer the question. The question is up here in the floating box, right next to the question mark. Listen again. Mom gave Harry 4 carrots. He gave one of them to the mailman. How many carrots does Harry have left? Did you say 3? Because, and they ask you why. Because he had 4 carrots. How many did he give away? 1 to the mailman. So he had 4. Take away 1. Now how many does he have? He has 3. We said that our floating box up here and our answer box down here should be the same number. 3 and 3. That's how I know I got it right. Okay? So, move on to the blue. Now, I have to move this way. Okay, over here, we're moving on to the blue. Okay, so we're still talking about Harry, and we said he has 3 carrots now, right? So look at the blue story problem boxes. It says, now Harry has 3 carrots. He gave one to Baby Bunny. How many does he have left now? So he has 3. He gives 1 to Baby Bunny. Now how many does he have? 2. Why? Because we always write how many he started with. For this story problem, he now had 3 to start with. He gave 1 to Baby Bunny. How many does he have left? 2. Does your floating box match your answer box? Yes, so you know you got it right. Okay, moving on to the orange, and my orange was kind of light, but I think you can still see that. Okay, so now Harry has 2 carrots left. Remember, subtraction, we always start with the number that we start with. So he has 2 right now to start with, the beginning of the story problem. He gave a carrot to his sister Hoppity. How many carrots does he have left now? Okay, let's think about that. So he had 2 at the beginning of the story problem. He gave 1 of them away to his sister. How many does he have now? He has 1 left. Why? Because he started with 2. He gave away 1 to his sister. And now he has 1 left. Does my floating box match my answer box? Yes, it does. Now, the very bottom is just telling you what ended up happening to Harry. It says, Harry ate the last carrot himself. He smiled because he knew Jesus was pleased that he had shared. And we know that in our class we say that sharing is caring. Okay, so backing this up a little bit. So on the back side of your story problems, if I went too fast, you can always rewind and go back through it, okay? But these are a little bit new because they are the first time we've taken away, right? And we know that with subtraction, you always start with your biggest number, and then the middle number is how many he gave away, and then the last number is how many he had left at the end of each story problem. All right, guys, great job today.